In this video I will show you how to easily download and install DaVinci Resolve on your Windows PC. For this, go and open your favorite web browser. Then in address bar type download DaVinci Resolve and press enter. Then click on first link pointing saying DaVinci Resolve download from Blackmagic Design. I will provide link in description. Scroll down a bit. Then fill out the details at first, like first name, last name, email, and soon. Leave default project media as it is and click on continue. After that, click on download Windows button. Just wait and it will automatically download installation file. It is about 3 GB, so just wait for it to download. After some time my download is completed. Now go to its download location. It is in zip format, so we have to extract it as shown here. Now double click on exe file to begin installation. If you get the confirmation pop-up, just click on yes or OK button. Leave this default things as it is and just click on install button. Now follow this instructions as shown in the video. It might take long time, so I am skipping this and take you to next step. Now click on Finish and you have successfully installed DaVinci Resolve on your PC. You can open it by going to search and type DaVinci Resolve and open it from there. Click on Continue. Click on Quick Setup. Click on Continue. Select any screen size you want to start your project and click on Continue. Just click on Continue. You can select DaVinci Resolve Layout and click on Continue. Click on Start. Now you can see that DaVinci Resolve has successfully opened. This is how we download and install DaVinci Resolve on a Windows PC. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.